Now, some of the results at the Western Athletics Championships finals at St. Elizabeth Technical High School, STETS, were being questioned after the meet ended in darkness due to a power outage on Saturday. But Chief Organizer Stephen Smith says the issues didn't affect the standings at the end of the meet. STETS retained both boys and girls titles following the finals of the Western Athletics Championships on Saturday, but their final points tally on the boys' side is still up for debate. This after a power outage during the 4x400 meters left the meet incomplete at the end. Organizer of the championships and president of the County of Cornwall Athletics Association, COCA, Stephen Smith, explains.
In terms of the results, they have been okay in terms of numbers now, because the only thing that wasn't added was the 400 meter for class 4 boys. The open 400 4x4. No, they won't be added because I would have classified even not complete, but there was no light. It went off the light, so it will be not completed.
But there was also a power outage in the morning which delayed the start of the meet and caused the electronic timers to be out of commission for some events. Smith says that meant hand times were used in some cases. But with the meet being a qualifier for the ISA Boys and Girls Championships, how will that affect the athletes' chances of qualifying?
Well, what was done, J3 came under their verification of the field itself, check it, the distance, and make sure this is correct. And I think it left it up to ISA to say whether or not they're going to use hand time. But no electoral time would be accepted.
Smith, however, assured that no other events were affected, and so the placings would not have changed even if the 4x400 meter scores on the boys' side were tallied. The official results show St. Elizabeth Technical's boys winning with 388.5 points, with Monroe College second with 226.33 points, and Herbert Morrison third with 209.33 points. Meanwhile, on the girls' side, STETS tallied 357.5 points for the win, with Petersfield 267 points in second, and Mount Alvernia third with 238 points.